we've got the first chorus, and here it is at the full speed. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. So we've got some chords that we already know here. However, we're going to start with the G power chord that we haven't used till now. This is going to be a standard shape down here, starting with low E. So, and this is going to be including a low open E string to take us to the next chord. So let's check out the strumming. It's going to be down, 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 up, down. Just a low E string. You want to make that short as well before getting to the A power chord. Okay, so down, 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 up, down, down, down. And then same thing repeats. Now, what's different? The second time around, when I'm going to that A power chord, I've got 2 of those B power chords at the very end. So just before the first time, I only had 1. Now I've got 2 strokes. Down, up. So how does that repeat go? It goes like this. Down, up. These are the 2 strokes that we've got here, as opposed to 1 quick B power chord that we had before. I mean, obviously there's 1 coming before that, so it's like 2 and 3 if you want to think of it like that. But basically I'm just adding 1 more upstroke at that B and making it short as well. Then there's a little gap and it follows with. And there's a difference here as well. That third time around, the G power chord is pushed 1/8 earlier. So that's going to be coming a 4 and instead of beat 1 that it was coming at. And anything else is going to be the same. So just like the first repeat, but this time that G power chord is coming an 8th note earlier. And then the 4th time around, this is where we're gonna get busier on the A power chord and add this down, up, because we're getting ready to resolve this to an F sharp power chord with a muted sound here. So all downstrokes, down, 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 down.